Alright, so in this lesson, we're going to configure now the payment settings. So you as the owner, how would you like to get paid and how would you like to get your instructors to be paid? Alright, so over here, let's click on payment settings. And then you could now choose your system currency. In my case, let's just choose US dollars. Currency position is where you want the symbol to appear. In my case, left with is paste. People settings, yes. Now, if you remember, I inputted my email address, so that is now as well my pay, how I will get and be paid through PayPal. All right. So make sure that you change this one as well as this one if you have a PayPal account, and so on. And just simply click your update PayPal keys. All right. Let's now go to the instructor settings. So for the instructor settings now, if you're doing a modular course, how do you want to, if you, for example, if a student enrolls a course, how much does that professor earn, and how much do you earn as the owner of that course or as the owner of that school? All right. So public instructor, no, it's an exclusive school. Let's say click on no, and then I want to pay 70% to my instructor. Me as a principal, I only get now 30%. If you want, you could change this one and simply click now on update settings. So that is how simple it is to configure now the payment settings. In the next lesson now, we're going to configure now the look of our website. So I'll see you in the next video.